Honorable teachers and all my dear friends, first of all, great morning to all of you.
Great morning, Kamal.
My name is Kamal. I study in 9 competency class and today I am here for speech on the wonderful topic tissue. So let's start. Tissue are the group of cells that perform a similar structure, that perform a similar function and have a similar structure. Tissue are divided into two types, plant tissue and animal tissue. Plant tissue are rather divided into two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are the tissue that have ability to divide and permanent tissue are the tissue that do not have the ability to divide. The types of meristematic tissue are apical meristematic, intercalary meristematic and lateral meristematic. Apical meristematic are the tissue that are responsible for the growth of the plant, and lateral meristematic tissue are the tissue that are responsible for the growth of width of the plant. Now next one is animal tissue. Animal tissue are the tissue that are divided into four types, epithelium tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Epithelium tissue are the tissue that form an outer covering on the animal body. What is epithelium tissue? Connective tissue, as the word name that, connective tissue connect the tissue from the other cells of the body. Now next one is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue are the tissue that help in the movement of the body in animal. Muscular tissue are divided into three types, saturated, unsaturated and cardiac muscle. Saturated muscle are also known as voluntary muscle because they can be moved with our choice. For example, shoulder, and they have light and dark bands and they also contains of nucleus. Next one is unsaturated muscles. Unsaturated muscles are known as involuntary muscle because they cannot be moved with our choice and they do not contain light and dark bands and they also contain a nucleus. Next one is cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are the muscle that also cannot be moved with our choice. They are located in our heart and they also have light and dark bands and they also contains of branches and nucleus. Next one is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue are the tissue that form a thread-like structure and have a leaf palm structure at the end. This is all about my topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.